Hello friends, welcome back to our channel MPSC RTO test series, and today we will cover 25 question and the topics are production engineering. From production engineering we will discuss the questions from material science, production processes. There are some questions from thermal engineering and from turbo machines also. So in this series I try to cover the question from these topics. So let's begin. So this is our first question. Limitation of traditional machining method. So limitation of traditional machining method. We know the traditional machining are the machining process that use in interior material cannot be removed. Yes, by using traditional machining we cannot remove the hard material, not able to produce complex profile. Yes, even not able to produce the complex profiles by traditional machining. Higher tool force required to cut the harder material. Yes, in traditional machining we need higher tool force to cut the material. So the answer of this question is all of the above. These all are the problems regarding the traditional machining. So technically we called as the limitations of traditional machining. Okay, so answer is this. So this is your answer, option number 4D, all of the above. Now let's move the next question. Now next question is this: non-traditional machining process. So non-traditional machining process: EDM, abrasive jet machining, electrochemical machining, all of the above. Yes, all of the above is your answer. These all are the non-traditional processes. So we can say new. Non-traditional means it is the new processes. Traditional means old processes. Okay. Next question. What are the parts? Okay. What are the parts of LBM? Laser beam machining. We know there is a laser to cut the we can say job, or we can say material. So flash lamp lens, this option number C is your answer. Both flash lamp and lens are required in laser beam machining. Next question. M30 code stands for, we know M30, everyone knows M30 is used for this program aim. Okay. Nowadays from code also, from M code and G code, maybe ask some questions in from M code and G code also. So no need to study all the M codes and G codes, but some well-known M code and G codes you should know. Okay. Next question. Machining time in the milling machines is calculated by. So this is the formula of calculating the machining time in milling machine. Okay, so where Z stands for, so we know everywhere in gear also. Okay, and this cutter also. So number of teeth we can say, or cutter tooth are, or number of teeth are denoted by Z. So answer is number of tool on cutters, and this Z stands for also number of gear tooth in gear, and in number of tooth on cutter in cutter also. So okay, see this question: shape of grinding wheel. Okay, shape of grinding wheels. So this is not a question, this is the information. Okay? This is a info related question. Shape of grinding wheels. So there are taper grinding wheels, straight grinding wheels, straight and cup grinding wheels, flood cup grinding wheels, saucer cup grinding wheel, dish type grinding wheel, and cylindrical grinding wheel. As per the application, we use such a kind of wheels to grind something or to make something finished. Okay. Production planning consists of, so we know production planning consists of, option number A, pre expediting, scheduling and dispatching, pre-planning and routine, and all of the above. So answer is pre-planning and routing. You can say routining. You can say okay. So which chart useful for scheduling and control? So we know to start the production processes, to start any production processes, we have to forecast some initial stage to final stage. So how we are going to produce our final product, its time, duration, entire things, and this is done by the Gantt chart. Okay, so this Gantt chart is useful for scheduling and control of production processes. Next, algebraic difference between the flow time and due date. Flow time, this is the end, and due date. So this is, this difference comes in the result of job. Short shortage processing time, sequencing minimize the in process inventory, mean waiting time, flow time, all of the above. Yes, all of the above. Shortage processing time and sequencing minimize these all three things. This is your answer. The total pressure of a liquid on the surface is given by, so it is given by one relation, that is W A into X bar. This is the X bar, huh? These are the X bars. Okay, X bar. So C is your answer. This is from fluid mechanics. Okay. If a match number is more than one, match number is more than one, the flow is known as supersonic. We already know it. Next, see, the lower critical Reynolds number approximately equal to, direct answer, 2000. The Bernoulli's equation is applicable for compressible fluid, viscous fluid, turbulent flow, none of the above. So none of the above is your answer. Bernoulli's equation is not used for any options given in the answer series. Okay. The line joining the total energy of water at a various section of a pipeline is known as, so line joining the total energy, it's nothing but a total energy line, not a hydro line, not pressure line, not a flow line. The rectangular channel will have a maximum discharge at, so any rectangular channel having the maximum discharge when the width is equal to 2d, so its width is double its diameter, or we can say its length. It's a rectangular channel, the depth we can say, so b is equal to 2d. Pitot tube is used to measure, pitot tube is used to measure velocity. What percentage of slip maintained in a reciprocating pump in a good condition? It's a 2%. It's a direct question. Type of turbine useful for head 10 meter, so it's a Kaplan turbine. The cavitation in the turbine is mainly due to the answer is collapsing of bubble, not water hammering, not high input pressure, not high discharge. So in cavitation, what happened? The vacuum is generated somewhat, and the bubble of water try to enter in that vacuum, and it's created a cavity on the blade on the body of the turbine, and this phenomenon is known as cavitation. These are the um, limitations, or we can say cavitations is not good for any turbine. Iron losses in magnetic, so iron loss, not iron losses, it's like a mm, when the iron losses is magnetic property at a temperature of, this is 770, at 770 temperature magnet losses its magnetic property. What iron is? It's a soft and ductile. Necessary condition for equilibrium of body. No, this question is from some, we can see in terms. So necessary condition from equilibrium of body. So summation of, this is of summation of horizontal force equal to 0, yes. Sum of our vertical forces equal to 0. Sum of all momentums equal to 0, and all of the above. So we know all of the above. This should be equal to 0 for equilibrium. The mechanical advantage can have a value. So we know mechanical advantage. If we want advantage from your mechanical instrument or any mechanism, it's always greater than 1. Machine used to draw pattern from the mold. So it's from metallurgy. Jolt machining, stripper blade machining, stand slingler, none of the above. So to remove pattern from the mold, we know stripper plate machine.